Hi everybody, I am Miss Jen. In this video, I will be showing you the beard and the body hair trimmer. And what I want to today, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up. This first time I have got this out and I must say it feels really nice. It's pretty lightweight. We have got the different size combs depending on how long you wanted your beard or the hair that you are cutting. So we have got the USB charging cable. This is a USB charging cable, and so this is a rechargeable trimmer. I must admit, I saw some in the past. You see, there are many hair trimmer in my showroom. Some of them are battery operated, or even worse, they are corded. You know, the corded that I suppose nowadays I do find a pain. But even the battery ones, I found the battery just don't last that long. And it's quite annoying, and it's get very expensive if you keep having to replace the battery inside. So I'm really pleased that you have got a charging cable, and to charge it up, use lithium iron 600 mAh battery. So once it is fully charged, about 1.5 hours, then you can get around 90 minutes to use. And the advantage of being a USB cable is that I suppose it can plug into any USB socket, such as a laptop or just a separate phone. I mean the iPhone, any charger socket. And finally, we have got the stand. So I suppose if you want to put into your bathroom, and then at least you have got somewhere to store it. And now we can start to look at the trimmer now. On here, you have got the on and off button on the front. And the button above that you have actually got a little light. There is, you can see, got a little light, and you just press again and then to turn the trimmer off. I did mention that you do get only one guide comb with its about 3 different lengths of the hair. I suppose, well, first of all, if you didn't want any guide comb, so if you just want to shave a certain area of your body completely smooth, then you don't need put any of the guide combs on there. And now I am going to operate the comb, the attachment, the comb for you. The first is 2 meters. Okay. The first is 2 meters, and the 2 meters, and the next one is about 4 millimeters, and the last one is about 6 millimeters. You actually click it on, and then you just adjust, depend on the length of what you wanted. You can see the mark for different lengths here. So I will just show you that the way you do it is you just pop it on there, and it just clips into the place like so, depending on the length of what you wanted. I do quite looking for a man that with a hair in the body, but I couldn't find anyone in my office. But I'm sure that when they use it, they will be in big impression that they're really good, brilliant, absolutely love it. And having the plastic guide comb on here, it feels really smooth. But I cannot find anyone here. So now that is, I think I'm nicely trimmed, the man is nicely trimmed, and I can show you how to clean and maintain. The trimmer, the first thing you need to do is just to take the guide comb off here and throw it away and get the little brush to clean it. Okay, to clean it. So This is very simple way to clean the hair off. And if you don't want to use the little brush, and you do want to clean with its in IPX5 rated. So what that means? That means this is shower proof. So as well, so when it comes to clean, if you wanted to give it rinse under the tap or even trim in the shower, then that's completely up to you. And that's another really good features about this. And then once you clip that back together, then you are ready to start shaving and clearing. And if you are going to get it with, then you don't want it to last. So that's why we have got the ceramic blade on here. And also just to let you know that it's really actually cut about 6,000 RPM. I mean the rotating speed, and that's pretty quick. I have had a look at the other trimmers, and the main advantage is that this avoids the nicks that you can get. I'm sure whether you are a man, a woman, if you have been shaving, then sometimes you get a little neck when you are trimming, and that can be really annoying and quite painful. But for this one, you will find the difference. If you think you are purchased this beard and the body hair trimmer I want to provide you an email address below the comments and show you where to place order at a very competitive price. And you can see I just take some pictures from the Amazon, and there are many good comments from the Amazon. Some of them they selling about $39, and some of them with the LED they selling about $59. And if you want a very competitive price, just send me the comments. Okay, so anyway, if you have got any question on it, and then just pop it in the comments and below, and I will get to you. Thanks for watching today.